Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the Firefox as default browser on your phone. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner, you will see these three dots. Tap on it. This will be the menu bar. Then tap on the settings. If you scroll down, here you will have this option set as default browser. If you tap on it, then you will have to change here in your phone's settings. You will have to tap on the Firefox as the browser app. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.